And we've got two ambiguities, and it's also going to go through its recommendations. One of which is Selenium, which is a technology I've used before. That's pretty useful. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to resolve the two ambiguities that it's disclosed using the Disclose Ambiguity pattern. And then I'll ask it to update its options. So I'm going to paste these out into my log because this is a potentially a an improvement beat. Like, do I need to kind of be clearer about these kinds of instructions, or does it not matter? Okay, is this something that just I'm going to want to think about every time? Container environment. Given that we're running the app in Minikube, it makes sense to connect to add the test environment as a pod. So that's the suggestion I'm going to make there. And the other one was about language preference. And I basically don't have a preference for a couple of reasons. One is that I'm using the model to generate the code. So my responsibility is mostly reading and amending. It's not kind of constructing from raw keycaps, as Stephen Baker would say. So I don't feel the need to constrain it to something that I already know how to write. On the other hand, I like the idea of using a high-level kind of cucumber gherkin approach to specify the tests so that they are written in a language that's close to the requirements language. Again, that's a collection of tools that I've got experience with and have used before. I want those answers in my logbook as well. And we'll go back to so I'm just going to tell it to go back to the ask for alternatives loop, and just give me choices based on the updated information. So we're 20 minutes into the session. I haven't started writing any code yet. That's kind of normal for picking up a new programming task, no matter whether you're going to type by raw keycaps or not. You always do stop and plan. That's one of the things that makes this an interaction pattern, is that you frequently do it. We've used stop and plan pattern. We've used ask for alternatives. We've used disclose ambiguity, and we've gone back to using ask for alternatives. So 4 applications of interaction patterns before any code is written, and even before we've got a clear idea where we're going. Okay, so options coming out now. Playwright, browser, driver, and then Cucumber. Doesn't look like that's a particularly good integration. Behave and Selenium, and that. Okay, so downside is potential flakiness. And then the third option is Cucumber JVM and Selenium Java.